Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video is we're going to the town or then in the Nabal town to treat my family to eat outside in the barbecue. Then I'm so happy that there's a person who sponsored to my to the family treat. I'm so very thankful and grateful that there's a person willing to help or support my family, even though a little bit of amount. I'm so very thankful. So as you can see guys, my sisters and my father and my kids are so happy when I got to bring outside to eat a barbecue. Then I'm waiting our orders so that I can take a video while waiting. Then there's a lot of customers here, and then I wanna show you the barbecue here, the kind of barbecue. There is chicken, pork, longganisa, liver, feet, just like that. And then there's more vendors, barbecue vendors here. And I'm so thankful and grateful, guys. Hopefully, you know that more blessing to come to your families here, to the person who sent blessing to us for my family. So this time is the waiter is yung binigayan ng mga plate to ready for the barbecue that the already cooked. So look at my sister. This is the youngest sister, guys, and this is my father who take care my youngest son. And the barbecue is already done and cooked, and they already served to us. Sorry guys, my voice over so noisy because it's because of the raindrops and my son is so noisy. Look at the barbecue, so yummy. This is my sister. There is a twin sister, guys. Yeah. She's so happy because you know that rarely we go to outside to eat. And this is the one who for the twin sister. This one and this one. And that one girl and the right side is my cousin. And this time is we're eating because so hungry, and you know like that. I'm waiting for about hours. Then it's already 7:30 p.m. when I'm started eating, so that it's so hungry and our stomach is starving, so that's why I'm starting eating. So we're done eating. It's gone. Beer time. My father is wants to drink a beer. That's why I'll give one bottle to him. Ha? Dito pa ngayon. So we're done eating na guys. So I'm so very thankful. Thank you so much for those person who is sponsored to treat our family. So you know guys that their reaction is so priceless. You know that rarely we go outside to eat because you know that I want to save money because when you want to eat outside it's so expensive, so that's why rarely I will go to outside to eat. So I'm so thankful this time na there is a person, so kind person. I'm so thankful. So this time guys is taking a picture here in the seawall because the barbecue area is just like near in the sea, near in the Pantalan, just like that, near in the seawall. So you know that bonding time together with my family. My youngest son is so happy with the here auntie is playing with his hair. And this is the view here guys. Look at the view here. There is a sea cat over there. Because there's a Pantalan. And my son is playing a ball because when he saw the ball in the vendor, so he want to vote for him. And he cry because his aunt is annoying to him. That's why he's crying. So this is for today's video. Thank you for watching.